are still on the way to find the best spots.
This is the process, how it looks like behind the scenes.
This village is just something that you need to visit. No time for the ice cream, need to shoot. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jay, a filmmaker based in Thailand, and together with my wife Sasha, we travel, explore new places, and create films around the world. We are always looking for great stories, beautiful locations, and new adventures. This channel is where we share that journey. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay and Sasha, and today we are going to shoot a few different spots. We are decided to shoot a great video about Mallorca, Spain, and we are going to spend all our time, 9 days that we are going to be here, going around the islands, villages and the best places to show you the best cinematic visual story. We are here for that, and today we're going to try to do 3 locations. This is the target for today. Stick to us and let's enjoy this video. Alrighty, we're on the first location and we're pretty much ready and loaded with the gear, and now we're gonna go through this city and explore a few locations just to get nice and juicy B-rolls.
My soul, my passion, my fire, mi vida, buena energía.
This is the process, how it looks like all the time behind the scenes. From the side it can be looks a little bit stupid, but in the end it's gonna be a really nice shot, I think so.
We've got our second shot and we still need like 100, so let's keep rolling. We just did a few shots and we just find out we're getting late in time, so we still have more 2 locations, and we're going to come to Sóller, and if we have enough time we're gonna go to the Port de Sóller, and we'll find out if we're gonna get these shots today or we need to come another day. So basically this is the challenge. Let's go. So cute. This is one of the cutest places on the island. This whole town, great and cozy. If you have time to visit it, you must do that for sure. The place is not that big, but you can just walk around and find a couple of cafes to sit a little bit of wine or have a great coffee and continue your journey like we are doing. ChatGPT says it's one of the beautiful villages in Spain. I don't know if you can trust ChatGPT or no, but anyway, from our perspective of view, this village is just something that you need to visit if you have a chance to be in Spain and Mallorca. Let's go further. It's really easy to get lost. Things are pretty much old and rustic. You're gonna see here, look at these doors. This is the hotel entrance. All these areas are divided to the small hotels, so you can really find yourself a place and stay here for a couple of nights to enjoy this beautiful and amazing town. Just look at the amount of the small details here. If you're gonna look there, you're gonna find small icon of Jesus Christ, and if you're gonna see here, you can see the little bit Asian culture here, like the elephants and all this stuff. Anyway, all these things sometimes related and sometimes not related to the place, but anyway, so far all these little details make this place really great and cozy. Yeah, and the amount of the wine shops are actually pretty huge. No surprise, people in Spain like to sip a little bit of wine. This is the place where we are going. On the left, which is Sóller, and on the right, the Lluc, the place where we are staying. And Palenca, I don't know how to spell it. Probably gonna be another place in our list. Yeah, let's go. So unfortunately, we need to leave because the sun is getting down and we need to change the location. And if we would be coming here a little bit early, we would discover more of this beautiful village. So this is probably going to be our target for the next time, but now we are leaving to the next location. Let's go. So we just got to the second location, and this is the parking where we are parking our car. And in Spain you need to be sure that you're parking your car correct, and that's why I have my application, which is called Easy Park, which just gives you options in a parking, and you don't need to deal with the parkomats and all this stuff. You just need to come, park your car and set your timer, press button, and you're done. So this is what we did. Let's go to the port. This place looks really beautiful, but it's still too hot, I would say. So we need another half an hour, I guess, just to wait until the sun gonna be a little bit softer than it is right now. But look at these boats and this beautiful lagoon. It's called Port de Sóller. So far, this is a really cute place. Instead of shooting, we are enjoying a cup of sorbet or ice cream and enjoying the beautiful spot in Port de Sóller. And I just seen that Trump is coming, so I need to shoot it. No time for the ice cream, need to shoot. So unluckily we didn't get the shots here in the Port de Sóller, but we're gonna drive a little bit further all the way to the lighthouse just to meet the sunset. We came to Fornalutx expecting to see Mallorca's most beautiful village, and honestly, we understand why so many people love it. But after spending a few days exploring this island, we realized something. Mallorca isn't about finding one perfect place. It's about discovering a little more of it every single day. Anyway, we're happy that we're done today. Just a few great shots that we did before that. And we are ending this day in this beautiful place. Thanks for watching, guys, and hope you like this video, and see you in the next video.